What's up, guys? Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? Hope you're having a great day today. If you're here for the very first time, smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back and Happy New Year, guys. Got your coffee? All right, let's talk about it. All right, I am back with TCP, a program I've been a part of for about 3 years now as an affiliate marketer. This program right here has a full turnkey marketing system. You can make your own capture pages. They have pages already created, templates that you can use. They have the autoresponder, the whole nine, okay, with this program. Now, what I love about it is you can get started for free, take a free trial and check it out, tour the whole system without paying one dime, okay, for 14 days. No credit card is required. While you're doing that, you still can get access to leads that they offer. They have leads in the system that you can purchase. These are home-based buyer leads, people that's interested in making money online. Okay, you can purchase those and promote whatever your business opportunity is to those folks. This program pays out weekly. If you decide to upgrade, they offer a partnership. Okay, it's $50 a month for the whole system, but when you refer somebody and they upgrade and they pay their $50, you make $25, and you're going to earn residual income month after month after month, as long as they pay their $50. The company splits the commission with you. Okay, they're a partner. You get 25, they get 25. Okay, so a whole system that allows you to promote any product that you want to promote. It comes with an app that you can download. Doesn't matter whether you have a Droid or an iPhone. Okay, so this way you can have access to the system. You can log in, you can get your leads, you can see who your leads are, all from your smart device. Okay, so a pretty cool system. Been around for 7 years, the system has. Now this page I'm on right now is one of the capture pages that I like to use to promote to other affiliate marketers. So if you're interested in becoming an affiliate marketer, you will see me use this page quite a bit because it has testimonies on it. It has a video right here about making money. And then the whole page explains the whole system pretty much. And it will capture the name and email of the lead. And then the company is going to send out the autoresponder on your behalf. Okay? So I don't have to create the autoresponder or anything for the affiliate side. If I'm promoting the affiliate side, this page is already coded to me. You'll have the same option to use this page as well, and it's already coded to you. Okay, so it does all the explaining. Everything is on this page, as you can see right here, all the way down to the end here. All right, the whole follow-up series is included. You don't have to worry about creating any pages. I'll show you some of the pages that they give you. They're already done for you. Okay, so let me show you that really quick here. Hang tight. All right, so when you log in, you click over here and you click affiliate. And once you go to affiliates, you're going to see all the affiliate pages, as it says right here. TCP affiliate pages. These are the replicated websites that's coded to you. You can choose out of all these that you want to use to promote this particular program so that you can earn the $25 unlimited commissions. Okay, so it's 10 of these pages here. All right, you can run traffic to it. You can make posts. They've got banners. All those things are already here for you to utilize to promote this opportunity. Okay, so when you log in, you see this as well, affiliate banners. Just click there. Okay, see, here are the banners. All you have to do is right click, save these to your phone or your computer, and you can post these guys online. Okay, And when folks inquire about the opportunity, all you have to do is give them your link, one of those 10 links that's already done for you, and let the system do the selling and telling for you. As it states right here, on every $50 sale, you keep 25. Okay, can't say it any clearer than that. That's what they're saying. How to turn $50 into $500 weekly. Okay, so these are some little neat images that they've got here. They call them banners. I like to call them images. Okay, so this is definitely a system you should definitely check out if you're interested in making residual income. Remember, we talked about that, my first video of the year, the formula that we're using, okay, in residual. You definitely want in your money-making formula, okay, mine is wraps. Okay, and I actually got to add something else to that. See what I mean? This stuff changes. It could change like that. I just figured out that I needed to add something else to it. Let me pull that up real quick. All right, see, my money formula is RAPS, R-A-P-S, residual, active, passive, and systems. Those are the components you need in the money formula. Okay, so guess what? That's number one, residual recurring income, $25 over and over and over every month. When someone signs up 1 week, you get paid the next Friday. Okay, when they renew the next month, you get paid again on that same person over and over and over and over. Okay, so I need to add in here the O and make it ropes. Why is that? Because I do offline marketing with my postcards, right? We got our postcards too. So that's a part of the money formula. My postcards. This is my formula. Yours may be different, but I still recommend everybody to have the residual component. You want an active component. You want a passive component. And you want the systems, even if you're not doing offline marketing. But for me, I do offline marketing with the postcards. So I actually need to add the O in there for offline marketing. Okay. Let's see. O, offline marketing. How about that? Okay, so we're going to have to add that O in there. It's not letting me type it. I'll go back and add it in there. But ropes. Okay. Okay, I'll add it back in there and update it. So, ropes. Okay. So, this particular program, guys, if you're interested in getting started, at least checking it out, taking the free trial, 14-day trial, the link is going to be in the description. But with that being said, let's check out what came in on the very first day of 2023. Okay. One of these, a payment came in while a person signed up. Okay. So let's take a look at that. So on the very first day of 2023, one of my components came through, right? Check it out right here. It says the conversion pros. The person came in as a trial, and immediately right after that, they upgraded, okay? So that means they became a paid member. When it says upgraded, they became a paid member. So right there, that's commissions that I'm going to make next Friday. Okay, and when they renew it in February, that's another 25. Okay, so with that being said, that just proves what I'm talking about. Your formula. Okay, I have a residual component added in my money-making plan. So see what happened on the very first day of the year. Okay, a sale came in, guys. So you've got to have this formula. You got to have a formula. Okay, if that makes sense, you got to have a formula. So my formula was, the component was residual income, part of the money plan, and then I promoted my page over here. One of the 10 pages that the company give me is a done for you funnel. Okay, I didn't have to do anything. Okay, I was just relaxing on the new year, and all of a sudden on my phone, okay, so the person texted me and said, hey, they were going to sign up, but, you know, I get that all the time. Next thing I knew, I received that email I just showed you and said, hey, they just upgraded. So right there, that shows you this works. Okay, if you implement this stuff, it will work. All right, guys. All right, so thank you so much for checking out the video, guys. If you're interested in getting started with me in the Conversion Pros, taking a 14-day trial, go check out that link in the description. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to smash it, smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. All right, guys, till next time, see you on the next video. Guys, have a blessed day. Be safe out there. See you on the next video.